फ्लोरिडा इंग्लिश स्कूल से अब उभरेंगे मुस्तकबिल के लीडर्स, फ्यूचर के लीडर्स। जी हां, बेंगलुरु के विजयनगर गौरीपाल्या में मौजूद फ्लोरिडा इंग्लिश स्कूल अपने स्टूडेंट्स को न सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स बल्कि एमएलए, एमपी, चीफ मिनिस्टर, यहां तक के प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनता हुआ देखना चाहता है। इसी बुलंद सोच के साथ, ब्रॉड विजन के साथ फ्लोरिडा इंग्लिश स्कूल में बड़े पैमाने पर स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल इलेक्शन हुआ। ऐसा लग रहा था कि फ्लोरिडा में असेंबली या पार्लियामेंट का इलेक्शन हो रहा है। स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल के 4 ओहदों के लिए कई उम्मीदवार मैदान में थे और वोटर्स स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स थे। तो दोस्तों, बेंगलुरु के विजयनगर गौरीपाल्या में मौजूद फ्लोरिडा इंग्लिश स्कूल में बड़े ही मुनज़्ज़म तरीके से, शानदार तरीके से इलेक्शन हुआ। स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल का इलेक्शन हुआ। आज यहां बतारीख 4 अगस्त बरोज मंगल स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल इलेक्शन को लेकर जश्न खुशी का माहौल देखने को मिला। तो दोस्तों, बस हम यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि फ्लोरिडा इंग्लिश स्कूल से मुस्तकबिल के लीडर्स उभरेंगे, फ्यूचर के बड़े बड़े लीडर्स उभरेंगे। तो चलिए बात करते हैं स्कूल के जिम्मेदारों से, टीचर्स से और पेरेंट्स से, और जानते हैं कि इस इलेक्शन से उन्हें क्या कुछ सीखने जानने का मौका मिला। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sarah Shaka and I'm from class 8. My house name is Safaya. Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Myself is Muskan. My symbol is my house name is Emerald. Assalamualaikum. From Ruby House. Thank you. Hello everyone. Myself Adiba. My symbol is coffee. My house is emerald. Please vote for me. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jan. I'm studying in 8th.
Jaco Topaz, मेरा symbol Jaco Eagle. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Mohammed and I am the candidate for the post of Edba in this institution. My symbol is Tree and my house name is Emerald.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faisal Khan. My house is here.
फ्लोरिडा इंग्लिश स्कूल की तरफ से जो इलेक्शंस मुनक़िद किए जा रहे हैं, ये काफ़ी और बहुत अच्छा क़दम है, ताकि आने वाली जनरेशन्स में, आने वाले बच्चों में जो अब बड़े हो रहे हैं, उनमें जो है ना इलेक्शन की और वोटिंग की इम्पोर्टेंस, वोटिंग की ज़रूरत और उसकी अहमियत का अंदाज़ा लगाया जा सकता है। इस चीज़ से अंदाज़ा लगाया जा सकता है और बच्चों में उसकी अहमियत पैदा करने के लिए ये वोटिंग और ये जो इलेक्शंस है ना, ये बहुत अच्छा क़दम है, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ जो है ना फ्लोरिडा इंग्लिश स्कूल के चेयरमैन और वाइस चेयरमैन ने ये शुरू किया है। मोहम्मद मिनवाल ने भी वोट दिया है।
जी हाँ, मैंने भी वोट दिया। यहाँ मेरी भांजी पढ़ रही है एंड जका सर हैज़ बीन डन ए ट्रेमेंडस जॉब। ये अवेयरनेस और इनकरेजमेंट जो लाए हैं इलेक्शन का, जो स्टूडेंट्स के एतबार से ये अच्छा काम किया है। और जो काम इन्होंने किया है, इनके पेरेंट्स को भी इनको और ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी आती है कि ये करंट गवर्नमेंट को कैसे उनको वोट डाल के जिता सकते हैं, कैसे इनकलाब ला सकते हैं और एक वोट आके कैसे कैसे बदलाव ला सकते हैं करके। ये आके ये स्टूडेंट्स और ये टीचर्स और जका सर जो ये काम कर रहे हैं ना, हार्टी कंग्रेचुलेट देम एंड encourage them on behalf of them. Thank you.
में स्टूडेंट इलेक्शन का इम्तिहान किया गया है। ये सिर्फ एक इलेक्शन ही नहीं बल्कि हमारे स्टूडेंट के लिए लीडरशिप, जिम्मेदारी और जमहूरी कदर और कीमत से सिखाने का एक बेहतरीन मौका है। हमारी कोशिश ये है कि हमारे स्टूडेंट तालीम के साथ साथ एक डिसिप्लिन और लीडरशिप का भी सलाहियतों की भी इलेक्शन के जरिए वो भी जिम्मेदारों को समझे और जिम्मेदारों के हिसाब से वो काम करे स्कूल में।
I am very happy to see the footfall of parents. To be very honest, we were not expecting the parents was about to come and give the vote. Literally, neither me nor my team was accepting that we will see the parents and come. They took the initiatives because of the hard work of the students. Each and every candidates went to their home, made a video. They did campaigning twice in the two categories. First category was they made a campaigning virtually through the online, through the WhatsApp, through the Instagram, through the Facebook, and all through the social medias. The again campaigning, physical campaigning, they did physical campaigning from door to door class. They went each and every class, and I'm very happy. I was not expecting so many parents, but I'm so happy to see so many parents here. It was
election is happening first time in your school?
Sir, election we do every year, but this time we have come up with the three things newly. The first thing was we kept election commissioner and assistant election commissioner, so that parents and students can get a realistic view of this election thing. Second thing, what we did, we included parents also to vote, to not to keep to choose the candidate, not to keep any kind of transparency, so that they have a good video and a good point of view on school. Third thing, we are keeping a lucky draw. So whoever will be the winning the lucky draw, will be giving them a very good surprise visit. And this Saturday we will be announcing the winners, and we will keep the ceremony of investiture. Sir, your good name? My name is Hafizullah Sharif, and I am managing director of Florida Group of Institution. Thanks a lot.
Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. This is today, I am the Florida Group of Institutions Secretary speaking here. This is our election campaigning we are doing, and elections day today it is. We are selecting head boy, head girl, and deputy head boy and head girl. MashaAllah, from morning it is going on, from 10 days canvassings they have did in the prayer. They have brought to the notice to the parents and to the entire local citizens, everyone. MashaAllah, it is looking a original election it is, where I can see that there is a starting point like lucky draw, followed by the names enrollment with the Aadhars, followed by they are giving the ballot papers and markings they are doing it with the ink, and there is a booth, and they are being a very proper systematic they are running. There they have a chief, they have election chief and election admin, supervision, election commissioner, and from the 10 days their students awareness we are doing. This is every year we used to do, but this year it is a really remarkable. Too happy to see it is running without what we call without the principal's role, like says secretary's role. Secretary is a background stopping. Young generations is coming out like Hafizullah, Awezullah, and with the team of our coordinators, they are doing very well. And whole area, we have seen that whole parents are turned out. Around 500 to 600 parents from the morning they have came and vote casted. Even the children of 5th to 10th they have casted. Inshallah, in coming days, we see that they are going to become the best citizens. The what changes, what things it is coming in the politicians. We hope that in the coming year, the new generation, the new citizens will be leading the country, mashallah. As we seeing that changes, sometime in some Delhi, some new young energetic leaders will change. In recently we have seen that they have bring down the ministership. The students, youth and students struggle have bring down one minister. I need not to tell the name. And even in Tamil Nadu, I have seen that. Even in Tamil Nadu, the new film actor, I need not to give the name. So many lot of change he has been done. Mashallah, mashallah.
So we need to be understand political system from early age.
Definitely. Islam teaches that. Islam says that in everywhere, every field we should be. In everything we have to undergo. And Islam teaches us to rule the country, to rule the nation, to rule the family. So it is a well opportunity to our children from the beginning of 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th, at the age of 12, 10, where they are being learning. Now in the high school and college, they are so familiar what is vote, what is our rights, what is our level, where we are there, where we can reach. MashaAllah.
So students should also become can join politics, and they can become MLAs, MPs, future.
Definitely.
Leaders.
They are the citizen builders.
So what is the objective of Florida English School when it is established?
Florida English School established in the year of 2019-20. This is our 26th year. Last year we have celebrated 25th Silver Jubilee function. Very grand Silver Jubilee function. This is our 26th year, where we have seen all children, all parents involved, and I required my children to be that every politically, let there be like ministers, let there be MLAs, let there be MPs, let there be in administrations, every field. We encourage the children to realize what is the constitution, what is B.R. Ambedkar Babaji's constitution it is, what that Mahatma Gandhi ji gave, what Lala Lal Rajpat Rai has given, what our Kalam, Abu Kalam Azad has given, and our Abdul Kalam, who has given, who was a renowned person. Muslims is being dominated in the contributions. Muslims should be in everyone. Our country is a secular one. Our is a minority one. They have to reach to their level. It is.
Thank you. Your good name?
My good name is Zakaullah Sharif, Secretary of Florida Groups of Institutions.
दूसरे अंक भी लगा सकते, जैसे असली है तो वो भी लगा सकते हैं, दूसरे अंक भी लगाएंगे भी तो कर सकते हैं।
So, honor and welcome for the Students Election Council Program.